The Ministry of Tourism and Culture convened a press conference on Wednesday to provide the public with an update on its accomplishments since 2017. Presiding over the presser was the outgoing Tourism Minister, Honorable Ahmad Nkeba, who has been redeployed as the Minister of Lands, Regional Governments and Religious Affairs. Honorable Ba noted a significant increase in tourist arrivals since assuming office in 2017, attributing it to various initiatives undertaken during his tenure.
It is important that I give you a small brief. I cannot give you all, because I will spend the whole day here if I need to tell you all what we have achieved since we took over. But we are proud that the government of Adama Barrow have made remarkable progress in the development of tourism, arts and culture the last 7 years. Of course, every other sector has moved on, but we must say that this sector has witnessed significant progress, massive progress, since we took over. When we took over in 2017, the arrivals numbers were at 100,000, 139, 150,000 arrivals a year. Prior to COVID in 2019, this government have raised the number to 235,000 arrivals. When COVID came, we went down to 90,000 and then crawl again. We are one of the fastest growing countries, fastest recovering countries in the tourism arrival, one of the best in the sub-region. And today I can proudly tell you, we are almost at pre-COVID numbers by the end of December. We will be back to pre-COVID numbers by the end of December.
Expounding on what he termed as a massive achievement, Honorable Ba elaborated on the factors contributing to the surge in tourist numbers under his tenure as Minister of Tourism.
We have done this because we were determined to make sure that we do more marketing and make sure that Gambians represent themselves in promoting this country. When we took over, we found what they call PR firms that were based in Europe, not in the Gambia, who were to promote the Gambia, who would just write a statement when they want to, and they were paid thousands of pounds. This government felt it was wrong. We hired Gambians, we posted them, we sent them to go and promote this country. And they have done extremely well in that task. And that's why nobody can promote the Gambia better than Gambians themselves. They know the country, and they know what to talk about. They have our culture, they know everything. And we are proud to say that the destination managers are doing and have done a fantastic job. So the decision of the government of the Gambia at the time to terminate the contracts of these PR firms was not only driven by financial reasons, but also driven by reasons that Gambians were best to promote their country than non-Gambians who only have to talk when it is necessary for them. And that has given us the opportunity to really promote the destination. We worked on product development. A lot of new hotels are about to be completed. We have the list here. I think they're about how much? 9? 12 new hotels about to be completed. The beds have increased considerably since 2017. We are now working on trying to improve on our product development.
The Gambia Tourism Board, entrusted with advising and promoting the tourism sector, shared its achievement under the ministry's auspices. Abubakar S. Kamara, the managing director of the GT Board, provided insights into the institution's accomplishment in the tourism sector since 2017.
By highlighting some of the achievements. And I will always say that one of the greatest achievements that we have ever had is having a GT Board head office. I've worked for tourism for the past 25 years, and we've always been housed either at the ministry or rental properties. This time around, GT Board can boast of having their own office. I think this is a great achievement. The other achievement would be the infrastructural development, especially in terms of road connections within the tourism development area. I am sure if you had been frequenting the 3DA, you realized that going to Tamalat during those days was a nightmare. Much more going to Mansi Beach area and also Lemon Creek. These roads now are now motorable, and they are now standard tarmac roads. I think this is also a great achievement.
Meanwhile, Mohamed Lamin Singate, the Director General of the Gambia Tourism and Hospitality Institute, also highlighted some of the things his institution achieved under the outgoing Minister of Tourism and Culture.
Following this, following the increase of the subvention, we looked into the curriculum that we were delivering at the time and realized that it needed to be upgraded. So we, through the support from the ministry, we had support from World Bank also in 2017 to review our curriculum, because we had the capacity in terms of human resources to deliver curriculum that would be matched at international level, with international standards. So we did a curriculum review exercise in 2017, and this curriculum review was so appealing to the sub-region that we were able to sell our courses outside the country. This was the time we started to attract students from Senegal, from Sierra Leone, from Nigeria, from even Guinea.
We offered scholarships.
As a strategic approach to be able to penetrate these markets, we offered scholarships to those nationals through their embassies in the country. And we had the first cohort that was responded to by Guinea-Bissau, and then followed by Nigeria and Sierra Leone. And since then, you know, from word-of-mouth recommendation, we've been having a lot of inquiries from those countries, but also receiving students from them.
Honorable Hamad Nkeba, a long-standing member of President Adama Barrow's administration, is yet to formally hand over duties to his successor, Honorable Abdoulaye Job. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Landin Sise.